Hi, everyone. My name is Heather Lloyd Martin. I am the CEO of SuccessWorks. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Today's topic is SEO copy editing, how to drive more search engine traffic with the content you already have. If you were able to tune into last week's video blog, I talked about SEO copy editing versus SEO copywriting and when to do one over the other. So to recap, SEO copy editing is really good when, one, you're working with a longer page. So if you have a page that's maybe only 25 words of content, it's really hard to add additional key phrases in there and still have that blurb flow really well. You typically need to be able to work with slightly longer copy. And also, it's really good for pages that are not crucial to the sales process. So I would not go through and edit a home page for key phrases. That's something that I would rewrite. But for a page that you have that's really good now and maybe it just needs some key phrases, SEO copy editing can be a fantastic way to leverage that content. And great pages for those typically are your information pages, things like articles, FAQ pages, old blog posts, even things like press releases. So there's a lot of opportunity on your site, chances are, to be able to go back in and add key phrases to the content where they fit. So let's talk about how that happens. A lot of content was not written for search engines when it was originally uploaded on the site. Your site might be one of those. A lot of people are in the same boat. So what you can do is transform that text and actually make it more specific for both search engines and users by using the key phrases. So for example, we have an opportunity blurb here. All products are shipped within 24 hours. How many times have we seen a sentence like this online? Say the key phrase for this particular page or this particular site, one of them is gift basket. So you could edit the sentence and say your personalized gift basket is shipped within 24 hours. It's not changing what you're saying, it's actually making it more specific. Or something like contact us about our Italian tours today. Say that what they're offering is they're offering hiking tours. Contact us about our Italian hiking tours today. It's really very simple to add in the key phrases. The important thing is you don't want to stuff in the key phrases in when you're editing any more than you do when you're writing it from scratch. So if you add key phrases into your content and you print that page and you read it out loud and it sounds like gift basket, gift basket, gift basket, gift basket, you know it's time to dial it back a little on the key phrases. So for some specific key phrase editing tips, just like with SEO copywriting, you're just going to want to focus on around 2 to 3 key phrases per page. You don't want to go more than that. That's probably not going to help you, and it helps you keep a really good focus. You can include a key phrase in your headlines. If you have a longer page, you could even include some subheadlines and create a subheadline with a benefit statement, a key phrase, a call to action, something that can further engage the readers and help them read more and more deeply into the copy. You also want to look at including key phrases in around your hyperlinks. So if you see learn more on your website and it's hyperlinked to another page, there's an opportunity to add a key phrase. Also, the same thing applies when you're linking to related product or service pages. If there is a place where you can link that makes sense. So, for example, you're editing an FAQ page and maybe you have a blog post that goes more in depth about something you're saying, certainly link to that and use the key phrase. And also the final step is that you never want to forget to create a clickable title. How do you create a clickable title? Well, please stay tuned for next week's video and I will tell you all about it. So thank you very much, as always, for joining me here today. If you have any additional SEO copywriting or content marketing training or questions, or if you need training, you can visit my site at SEOcopywriting.com, and you can also sign up for my weekly Tuesday digest of my blog posts, and you can do that on the little box that you'll see on the right-hand side of every page of the site. So thank you very much, everyone. Take care and have a wonderful day.